It's sunrise. An F&ME drilling crew loads 2 Carolina skiffs to make the 10-minute trip to a drilling rig on a barge located between the 2 opposing lanes of the I-95 Interstate bridge that spans Lake Marion near Santee, South Carolina. Since February, the crew has battled the elements, drilling to take core samples every 5 feet until they reach a final depth down as far as 150 feet beneath the lake bed. The drilling rig will be moved 46 times. With each move, an engineer with a Trimble that must connect to a minimum of 6 satellites determines the precise coordinates of each boring location. Before any drilling can begin, the crew spins and drives pipe casings that will guide the 5-foot sections of drilling pipe. The casing can extend down as far as 100 feet. In order to take a sample, the pipe is extracted, the drill bit is removed, the spoon, which takes the sample, is attached, and all the pipe reconnected and inserted back down to the bottom of the hole. A cap is attached that can withstand the 350 foot-pound blows that drives the spoon 18 inches down to capture the sample. Again, the pipe is extracted, the spoon removed, the drill bit reattached, the pipe is reconnected, another 5 feet is drilled, and the process is repeated until the final sample is taken. The spoon is opened, and the geologist gathers the sample and makes preliminary inspections to determine the composition of the types of soil and rock. The sample is logged, cataloged, and will undergo more extensive evaluation at the F&ME lab in Columbia. For each drilling location, this process can be repeated for as many as 30 times. Depending on the composition of the underlying soil and rock, if all goes well, each boring could take 1 to 2 days. As in all operations, there are the inevitable delays. Weather delays, cables that weaken or snap, hydraulic hoses can fail, and parts need to be replaced. The crew has the skills to handle many of these situations. When the drilling and sampling is completed, the barge is moved to the next location and the process is repeated. For the Santee I-95 project, in 16 weeks the operation should be completed. The barge will then make the 7-mile trip to a dock where it will be disassembled and a crane will offload the equipment.